In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the filter function in DAX. So here we're dealing with the Northwind dataset. We're going to focus on the customers table, and I'm going to use the filter function to tell me how many customers are from the country of Mexico. So we're going to use this country column here in the customers table. So in this filter demo table I created, I'm going to go to new measure, and I'm going to call this new measure Mexico customers. That will be equal to, I'm going to start off with a variable, so var, and I'm going to call that variable mex cust table, you can call it whatever you want, equals filter function. The first parameter of the filter function is a table, so we have the customers table, that's where we're going to get our rows from. And then the second parameter is an expression, so this is the condition by which we're going to filter our table. So we're going to say country from the customers table is equal to Mexico. We're going to close parentheses, shift enter to go down a bit, return, shift enter, and then we're going to do a count rows function. And we're going to put within that count rows function, we're going to put the table I just created in that variable. So mex cust table, close that, complete the measure, and then drag that in. Drag that measure in. So we have 5 customers from the country of Mexico. So that's how you use the filter function. Really all you're doing here, the filter function is a table function, but what you're doing is you're getting a subset of the data. So whatever table you have in your parameter, you're going to set an expression in the next parameter to either like restrict or limit the number of rows. In this case, we're limiting it to just the rows that have the country of Mexico. Hope you found this helpful. Have a good day.